Hey guys, this is Deborah, aka DD Charles, back at you again tonight. And tonight we're going to be talking about Facebook Lives in a whole new sense of the word. But before I get into my content, I want to say thank you for stopping by this YouTube channel. If you are first time coming by my YouTube channel, then go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I come on to do these videos, you will not miss me and I will not miss you. And if you're on Facebook, go ahead and give me some comments and shares, okay? And of course, give me some hearts. Okay, this content is kind of different from what we would normally be talking about on a Facebook Live. I want to recommend a product that I'm using that will help you with your Facebook Lives. Maybe help you to get started, maybe help you to, to be able to do different things with it. But it's a recommendation that I highly feel like you would be appreciative of having, especially if you are a busy mom or a dad that you're seeing about your children or family and all that, or if you are an introverted person, someone who is highly shy of the camera, or you might be a already business owner who desire to do more with having Facebook Lives done on a daily basis or weekly basis or something like that. Well, I highly recommend you this product as a way to help you out. And the reason why I'm recommending you this, highly recommending it, is because it's something that I use, and it's something that someone shared with me. And because I was an introvert, I am an introverted person, I've learned to, readjust some things, because I am a business owner and I know that I have to be out there doing Facebook Lives and different things to get my business up off the ground. But the two reasons why I'm highly recommending you this tool is because, one, you can do your regular videos like I'm doing on this, do a regular video, upload it as a live, and then you can share it with your audience. How cool is that? If you are a busy mom, you got your children to see about, you got your husband to see about, you got your washing and your cleaning and all of this, but you're still trying to run a business. This is a great tool to have so that you can be able to maneuver around. And if you are an introvert, of course, this will be an ideal tool, because you won't have to be feeling like you're in a big crowded place. You could be by yourself, do your video, upload it, and it's ready to go. And if you are a business owner already, hey, this is the coolest product to have, so that you can go live. And you know what? You could do how many live videos you want. You could do a week worth of videos and have them ready to be scheduled out to go out all through the week. How cool is that? I think it's real cool. So in the second way, it is easy to set up. I mean, there's no, you got to be plugging in this and that and all that other stuff. You just simply put your video into the system, schedule a day out, day and time you want it to be scheduled, put the description and everything like you would do on your regular video, and hit the button. And I'm telling you, it's easy as ABC. So I highly recommend this for you guys, especially if you're a busy mom, busy dad, entrepreneur, or if you are someone who is introverted like I was, because I struggled with doing Facebook Lives when I first got online. I mean, I was struggling because I was introverted. I didn't want to be on the camera. Of course, I'm kind of somewhat relaxed with the camera now because I've been doing this for a while. But it is an ideal product, and I highly recommend it to you. So if you're someone who is thinking about it, or who wants to take me up on this recommendation, then go ahead and leave me a comment down below, or you can just look at my link below this video. I have a link there, to the product that I'm talking about, and just go on over there and check it out and see what it is that you can resonate with about this product. And I guarantee you would love it, because it's a time saver for you if you're a busy person. So guys, I've enjoyed sharing this information with you, and if you find value, then go ahead and send me a message over on my Facebook, in Facebook, or here on YouTube, to let me know that you got this information, and that is something that's valuable to you. And if it is, then you know someone else who can use this information, then go ahead and share this video with them, so that they will know how important it is that they have something that will help them to leverage their Facebook profiles. Okay, their Facebook lives. So guys, this has been Deborah Charles, your social media marketing specialist, and I want to thank you again for dropping by my video tonight. And you all have a safe night, good afternoon, and a blessed morning. And I will see you tomorrow at the same time. See you later.